Reports Actuals are where you go to print the actual results, revise forecasts to the year end and beyond, and a selection of management reports. Available Reports is for previewing and printing the selected report options. Options include the profit and loss, balance sheet, and source and application of funds. To preview a report, first select from the Actual Report Options list, and then click the desired report format. Here is a profit and loss showing the actual result for the first period of July, and then a forecast to the end of the financial period. Here is the balance sheet showing the opening balance sheet from the financial year end, actual results for the first period, and then forecast results to the end of the financial year. Here is a source and application of funds that shows the actual cash flows and then forecast cash flows to the end of the period. The source and application funds starts with net income after tax, adds back the non-cash items and changes in tax, and then looks at balance sheet movements to reconcile to the closing bank figure. This report answers the question, well, we made a profit, but where is the cash flow? Headers and footers is for editing the report titles and footers. General options is for selecting the print range if the forecast is more than 12 periods long, summarising the reports into 2, 3, 4, 6 monthly totals, for dividing large numbers back to the nearest thousand, choosing the currency you want to report in, turning the date, model name and other footer information on or off. And as with budget reports, we can choose from pre-customized report formats with differing levels of customization depending on the intended report recipient. Actual Reports is where we select the report content and format. The default is just to print the actuals for the current periods to date, but other formats include actuals and then a revised budget to the end of the year, and a number of management formats based on actuals compared to budget for the current month, year to date, and full year estimated results compared to the original budget. As with budget reports, profit centres can be printed separately or combined in a sub-consolidation or merge. Here we choose a group, all stores, and Kilburney and Lambton are automatically selected. Favourite combinations can be saved in matrix groups. Using the Matrix tab, we first select the report format that we want to view our results in. We click the Matrix report, click Report Matrix Now, and here we see a 4A management report showing the results by location. The first few columns show the current month versus original budget with the dollar variance and percentage. The middle three columns show the year-to-date actual results, the year-to-date budget and variance. These two columns are the same because the model at the moment has only been rolled once with one period of actual results. But on the right hand side we have the expected full year result made up of actuals plus a revised forecast to the end of the year versus the original budget that the banks and directors agreed on at the beginning of the year with the variance and percentages. Select Groups is a feature of the Enterprise Edition aimed at users with multiple profit centre models. Although this model only has 3 profit centres, users with 50, 60 and even 600 can automate the delivery of their management reports by sending them to a predefined destination folder in a variety of formats, including PDF, Excel, WinWord, without manually printing them. In some larger user installations, this can save 2 to 3 hours with the task of printing and delivering the reports done electronically.